While getting into shape and adopting a healthier lifestyle are admirable goals, don't forget about your financial well-being. Just like you take care of your body, it's important to nurture your financial health as well. To help set yourself up for financial success in 2024, here are some important goals to consider. Save for emergencies. If you don't already have one, then an emergency fund has to top your list. It's vital to stash away some cash for those unexpected curveballs life throws at you. You don't want to rely on credit cards, loans, or that distant relative to bail you out. If money's tight, here are a few things you can do. Find a high-yield savings account. These will earn you a small percentage just for keeping your money in that account, and most are still FDIC insured. Figure out a realistic savings amount. If you're a team, can you swing $500 together per pay period? In just 6 months, you could kickstart a solid emergency fund. If you're solo, seriously look at your expenses and determine if you can cut out or pause some purchases until you're fully funded. Struggling to find extra cash? Consider picking up a part-time job, side hustle, or freelance. You can always make more money. This is one of the easiest ways to put more money in your pockets. Pay down debt. There's no need for guilt here. Debt happens to the best of us, with 77% of people carrying some kind of financial load. In today's world, interest rates are not playing nice. Now more than ever, interest is costing you a lot more. The average credit card rate in the US is over 20% as of January 2024. All this extra money you're paying, because you're only making minimum payments, is money that could be invested, saved for future goals, or used to improve your current financial situation. And if you think about it, the money spent on high interest payments is money that could be invested or saved for future goals like retirement or a child's education. Historical data shows that the stock market has consistently outperformed inflation over the long term. The S&P 500 has averaged an annual return of around 10% since its inception. This means that money invested in the stock market, instead of being used to pay high-interest debt, could have grown significantly over time. Let that be the push to trim those balances down. Invest. The next top goal anyone serious about building wealth should have is investing. Sure, high interest rates and inflation can be a bit daunting, making you question why bother saving more, especially with the rising cost of living. The future is uncertain, no doubt, but ever met someone who didn't wish they started saving earlier? Exactly. Markets have their ups and downs, but the long game usually pays off. Recession, interest rates, inflation, I get it. So why you should resolve to save more is because even when things seem stagnant, smart and consistent investing means you're steadily acquiring more pieces of the investment puzzle. History shows markets tend to grow over time, so those little steps could grow into something substantial. Retirement planning. If you can swing it, hitting your company match is like hitting the jackpot. It's often called free money for a reason. No hoops to jump through. Just contribute to your retirement plan and your employer chips in too. It's a solid goal. Just contribute at least the minimum needed to grab that full company match. That way, you're not missing out on any of that sweet, free money they're offering. Retirement planning might seem distant, but it's important to start early to ensure a financially secure future, because average lifespans are increasing globally. In the US, the average lifespan has reached 79 years, and projections indicate it could reach 85 by 2050. This means your retirement savings need to last longer than ever before. Additionally, as we age, healthcare expenses tend to rise significantly. A study by Fidelity Investments estimated that a retired couple aged 65 in 2022 could face average healthcare costs of $315,000 over their retirement. This underscores the need for financial security beyond traditional pension plans. Social Security benefits alone may not be enough to cover these expenses. In 2023, the average monthly Social Security benefit is $1,544. This amount may be insufficient to maintain your current lifestyle in retirement, especially considering the rising cost of living. Plus, the Social Security Trust Fund is projected to be depleted by 2035. This means that future retirees may face benefit cuts or increased taxes, further emphasizing the importance of individual retirement planning. So the earlier you start saving, the more time your money has to grow through compounding interest. Missed opportunities could impact your financial security in retirement, but if you make plans now, you'll enjoy greater freedom and flexibility, which will allow you to make choices about how you spend your time in retirement, whether it's traveling, volunteering, pursuing hobbies, or spending time with loved ones. Save more. One of the biggest indicators of future wealth is how well you can save, so it's time to amp up your savings. We're sure you're not surprised saving more made it on our list, since this is a personal finance channel where we help you understand the choices you can make with your money. If this is your first time on the channel, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up if you've gotten any value so far from this video. Aside from that, saving more is also one of the common financial goals for many people. But oftentimes, people struggle to achieve this goal, but there's loads of ways to tackle that. Bump up those 401k contributions, set up automatic transfers to a high-yield savings account, and trim the fat on unnecessary spending, especially during the holiday shopping spree. Get side gigs, build businesses, or freelance what you're good at in your spare time to make extra bucks so saving more money becomes easier. Improve your credit score. A solid credit score is a must for financial stability and seizing opportunities. It vouches for your reliability with lenders, influencing their decision on loans and credit cards. Why does it matter? A good score bags you lower interest rates, saving big on loan charges. It's a ticket to lower insurance premiums for your car and home. Landlords often check credit scores when looking at rental prospects. Some employers eye credit scores as a sign of reliability, boosting your job prospects. Overall, a good credit score means affordable credit and a stellar financial rep. If your score is less than stellar, make it a goal to boost it. Pay bills on time, clear debt, limit new accounts, and trim spending. These simple steps can help boost your credit score. Increase your income. While some of your other personal goals might include career grind and envisioning your future, there might be a time when a bit of extra cash could make a big difference. Whether you're eyeing a major purchase or padding your emergency fund, there are ways to make it happen by getting creative with your money-making strategies. Do you have a hidden talent or a passion project? Turn those skills into cash. Get crafty and sell your work online or explore local events like fairs and farmers markets to showcase your talents. Before you commit, brainstorm a list of possibilities, stay open-minded, and be ready to seize opportunities when they come knocking. Your wallet just might thank you for the extra income boost. Increase your financial literacy. This should be a goal every year. In the ever-shifting landscape of personal finance, staying in the loop is key. Consider making it a goal to increase your financial literacy. Dive into books, join workshops, or explore online courses to grasp the intricacies of investing, taxes, and retirement planning. Why? Because knowledge is your power, especially in finance. So strengthen your understanding, empower yourself, and make informed choices that align with your long-term goals. No matter how confident you feel about your financial achievements this year, there's always room to level up. Give your financial records a solid once-over as we get started in this new year. And as you step into the future, consider a goal structure that breaks down your objectives into bite-sized, achievable benchmarks. Think of them as stepping stones leading to your ultimate financial freedom. Mark specific dates on your calendar for regular financial check-ins. Sometimes, you might need to make a few twists and turns requiring tweaks to your goals along the way. That's okay. The important thing is to commit to holding yourself accountable. Let this new year be a year of financial finesse, where each financial decision is a step towards your goals, and where the power to shape your financial destiny lies firmly in your hands. Cheers to a year of prosperity, wisdom, and a dash of financial swagger. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please share it with a friend and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.